Good evening and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. You join me for a talk in the car. Been a hot minute since we've done something like this, but yeah, I've been so busy with the antique centre that I haven't been able to get out very much and do vlogs. So I thought I would just pick the camera up, well, the phone, that's why it looks a little bit different, and have a wee chat with you. Oh, and another reason why I haven't done that many vlogs, especially daily vlogs, is the weather here in the northeast of England is absolutely rubbish, considering it is near the end of July, so we are mid-summer. It has rained every day for about 3 weeks. Just get a look at that sky. It's about to rain again. But anywho, there is some events which I'm going to try and get to, and typically oh, that's a bit shaky. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I'm using the phone, as you can tell. A lot of the events I want to go to are all on the same day, so I need to pick and choose what I need to go to take you woo. Yeah, so I need to try and figure out which ones I want to go to take you to. Oh, and hi Tim. Anywho, like I say, there is some things coming up on the channel, but I don't know what yet, because yeah, like I say, I'm repeating myself quite a lot in this video. Anywho, they're all on the same days, so I need to pick and choose, and then if the weather's bad, then yeah, we won't be going to any of them. And as you may or may not tell, the rain stopped and it's actually quite sunny now. Unfortunately though, I'm too busy to do anything apart from this driving the car vlog, and it's 8:15 at night, so yeah. And of course we've got Texas. I'm not just going to say San Antonio, I'm going to say Texas, because we're not just going to stay in San Antonio, because after 2 days we're going to go up to Dallas for the Texas State Fair. But anywho, yes, we have Texas in October, so it is the 29th of July now, I think, and we're going to October on the 2nd. We're going to October on the 2nd. No, we're going to Texas on the 2nd of October. What's the matter with me tonight? So that should be good. We're going to do some tasting vlogs with Chris Goforth over on the Chris Goforth channel. We're going to go to San Antonio, SeaWorld, or SeaWorld San Antonio, mixing all my words tonight. Six Flags Texas or Dallas, I don't know which one. Six Flags over Texas, I think it's called, the one in Dallas. Six Flags Fiesta in San Antonio, and like I say, the Texas State Fair. It's going to be all good, and hopefully when we're in Dallas, I'm going to have a walk around Dallas, or a drive around Dallas. I want to go see the area where Kennedy was shot, because that's all been preserved, and I want to vlog it all for you. Whoa, it got dark real quick. Anywho, sorry for the short on the phone, in the car, talking rubbish vlog. I'm going to try and get somewhere tomorrow, Sunday tomorrow. I have a couple of places in mind. Whether or not I can get to them out, I don't know. I will try. Bear with me. So on that note, I'll see you on the next one. Now it's time to do your job.